In 2016, two of the best swimmers in history joined forces. The Rio de Janeiro Olympics were the last for Mr. Swimming and the first for the swimming kid. They are about to swim the event with the best story in the last 16 years. For many, watching the 50 free is not the most beautiful thing. The 100 free is considered the blue ribbon event. Winning the 100 requires the perfect combination of speed, strategy, and technique. In the relay, 4 times the blue ribbon event, you need these 3 things, plus optimal group psychology and good exchanges. As it has become tradition around here, the story begins in the year 2000 in Sydney. This is where the event got crazy. The Americans are undefeated. They have won the 7 times this event has been swum. In Australia, swimming is like soccer in Latin America. The stars earn a lot of money. They have sponsorships, and most of the citizens watch the competitions and know the swimmers. They are essentially celebrities. One day, they interviewed the then 4-time world medalist Gary Hall Jr. They asked the American if he was worried about swimming against the Australians in the 4x100 relay. Before telling you what he said, you have to know that the Americans were the favorites by a long shot. They were predicted to win that relay by more than 2 seconds. More than a body difference. Gary Hall Jr. didn't want to overestimate the Aussie team and said, "The United States has always risen to the occasion, and this will be no exception. But it's not going to be so easy this time. If I could wish the Australians well in the process and not have them step on our heads, then I do. But in my biased opinion, I think we will smash them like guitars." The next day on Australian news, you could see Gary's face and the phrase, "We will smash them like guitars." Ian Thorpe was worried. The most likely scenario was that they would indeed smash them like guitars in front of the whole country in the biggest event. To motivate his teammates, Thorpe told them that if they left the relay with a lead, he would take care of the rest.
Take your mark.
Michael Klim opened the relay with a new world record and a huge lead. Chris and Ashley played their part and gave the torpedo the advantage he asked for. Gary Hall Jr. smashed the advantage almost immediately and had a whole body length lead. Thorpe heard the audience fell silent. During the turn, he thought, "I will not be the one who disappoints my country." Four years later in Athens, I officially fell in love with the sport. The story of the relay in Athens will be available here in 48 hours. If you haven't visited our webpage, click here. See you there. Swim fast.
I might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the